friends, today I'm going to discuss about home automation by using smartphone. Home automation means the user can control the home appliances by using your smartphone.
For doing this project, I use Arduino Bluetooth module and relay module.
watching my video and share my videos to your friends. And if you have any doubt, contact me through FB page.